So this is a follow-up to my glasses holder necklace tutorial from Tip Tuesday using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit today. So you start with 18 gauge wire, and I'm going to place it about 4 inches from the end on the jig. There's 2 ways you can do this. If you don't want a loop, you can just bend it straight up and down around here. But if you want a loop in the middle, you're just going to hold this here and then bring this one around to make the kind of loop, and you can kind of tighten it up. You could even start the loop on pliers if it's easier. So we're just going to bring this one around and bring it right up. Because I want the ears more pointy, I've added my own skinny nails on here. You can use straight pins too. Just these pegs are make a little bit too thick of a ear. So we're just going to hold this here and then bend it down, give it a good tug. And this side here, give it a good little push, kind of smooth it if you have to. And then we're going to form around these pegs. So this is the second smallest peg, and this is the smallest peg in the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. So we're going to push it out, straighten it if it gets a little bent, and then just bring this one down here. Now, same on this side, we're just going to bring it over here and then that way. Now this is the largest peg that comes with the kit, so I want a bigger circle, so I'm using a small pill bottle here. I'm just going to stick it over top and just form this around. This one's going to come up to form the tail, and then we want to just wind it around this second largest peg twice. So we're going to go 1, and then we're going to go around twice, and then leave it there for now. And then we want to put this over top so we have a slightly bigger circle, and then bring it around and just push it like that. So here we have our setup. I'll put the link to buy the template in the description of this video in my Etsy DIY shop. The templates aren't expensive, they just help support my channel. And then what we want to do to remove it is you can just remove these nails and pull it off to finish it. If you don't want the loop at the top, just remove the smallest peg and put the second smallest peg in there. And always be sure to put your little plugs on the back. We'll put the nails back in there. Again, start about 4 inches from the end, and we'll just, instead of forming the loop on there, we're just going to push it up. So just push the wire up on either sides and then just bend that down, bend that one down, and then we could form again the cheeks and around and curve it out here too. We're going to bring that one in there, bring it out, and then we're going to put the pill bottle on there again. So we're just going to put it on there, bring that one down, bring this one around, and again twice around this peg. And we're just going to hold that in place and bring this wire around the bottom and then just push it in place here. So we've got this, remove it from the jig. So we have this so far. We're going to give that one a little cut to get rid of the extra overlap there to see where we need to bend it, and then just bring it down, hook it on there, take the end, close up that loop, cut it, pinch that in, pinch it. Just take our round pliers, hold the end, and just rotate it around to close that loop, and then bring the wire in, just twisting as you go. So we're just going to do that. Now we'll get some 22 gauge wire. You just need a couple of inches, and we're going to bring it over here. Just twist this one around here. Clip the end, pinch it in place, and then we're going to put our beads. So I'm just going to do a little tiny seed bead, and then the miracle bead, and another little seed bead. Place it in the middle, and then just pull this one around. You could put any beads you want. You could even do like a little loop and dangle something down if you like. Give that one a little clip. Take the pliers, pinch it in, and there you have your cute little kitty. So either you can put a jump ring and dangle it from the middle of the kitty's head, or you could put 2 little jump rings and dangle it from a cord in 2 places.